This is the second new style that I'm bringing forth to you today, and it's called the SuperMan. What's up, peeps, and welcome to my channel. Yeah, today I'm gonna bust some new moves. Yeah, I'm even gonna fly, not like a bird, Superman. Let's get into it. Alrighty. Gonna start simple today. 30 seconds or 45 seconds of each exercise. And of course, you take your 15-second breaks to gather yourself. Alrighty. Since I'm on my back, I'm gonna burst one of the new ones. This is called leg clap. Ooh. Yeah, you're gonna feel this one right here. Alright, this one, we're gonna do it nice and slow. Up, and you just move your leg upward. Don't jump, just take your time. Move forward. You're gonna feel it in your lower abdomen. That one was intense. And as always, my favorite, the Russian roulette. That's what I call it, but it's called the Russian twist. Alright, peeps, so this is the second new style that I'm bringing forth to you today, and it's called the SuperMan. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna lift your right hand with your left leg. So it's like this, this. And since we're in the press up position, we're just gonna do what we call a plank and end it off today. Stand like this, legs apart, just hold it for 30 seconds or 45 seconds. You know what? We're gonna run another one. Legs in. Alright, my peeps, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Do me a few favors. Give this video the thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you haven't, subscribe and click the little bell for the notification. And most importantly to me, share the video. Until tomorrow, be safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink